How to use ChatGPT for multi-account operation. 1. Determine the number and type of accounts that need to be operated. 2. Create a dedicated ChatGPT model for each account. This can be achieved by using different training data, parameters, and configuration files, etc. 3. When it is necessary to reply to the user, select the corresponding model to reply according to the user's question and account type. 4. Evaluate and optimize the model for each account. By monitoring the response effect and user feedback of each model, the model parameters and training data are continuously optimized to improve the accuracy and response speed of the model. Multi-account operation allows users to log into multiple accounts in the browser at the same time, without frequently switching accounts or using multiple browsers. Fingerprint browsers can protect users' privacy and security through a series of technical means, such as randomizing browser fingerprints and masking real IP addresses, and can prevent multiple account associations and tracking. MuLogin Anti-detect Browser is a tool for users to log in and manage multiple accounts. It provides an independent browser environment for each individual account, and with the use of proxy IP, it can create and manage accounts in batches on multiple platforms. New users can enjoy a 3-day free trial.